In this video, you will learn how to use ManyChat to automate Instagram direct messages effectively, whether you want to grow your personal brand, increase engagement, drive more traffic to your offers, or boost your revenue without spending hours manually messaging people. This guide is for you. I will walk you through a setup that can help you collect thousands of emails from a single video and generate significant revenue using ManyChat. By implementing this method, you can streamline your communication, nurture leads effortlessly, and build stronger relationships with your audience. When you log into ManyChat, first click on Add New Account and select Instagram. You will then need to log into your Facebook account and link your Facebook pages. Ensure that your Instagram profile is connected to a Facebook page. This is essential for automation to work. To check or set this up, go to your Instagram settings, navigate to Connected Accounts, and either create or link a Facebook page. Additionally, your Instagram must be a professional account. To verify this, go to your Instagram profile, tap Edit Profile, select Page, and either link an existing page or create a new one. Once your account is properly linked, you will be taken to your ManyChat dashboard where you can create and manage automations. ManyChat allows you to create folders to keep your automations organized, making it easier to manage different campaigns or workflows. You can also use the search bar to quickly find specific automations. The platform provides helpful guides and resources to assist you with setting up opt-ins and conversation starters. Automated responses can be a valuable tool for handling frequently asked questions efficiently. By setting up conversation starters, responses to common inquiries can be automated, ensuring that users receive immediate and relevant information. For instance, if someone sends a direct message asking about coaching services, an automated reply can provide a link to schedule a session. This not only saves time, but also ensures that no potential opportunity is missed, allowing for seamless engagement with interested individuals. Another useful automation feature is the ability to send follow-up messages to subscribers. When someone initiates a conversation, an automated system can be set up to send a follow-up message after a certain period, such as 12 hours, giving users the option to opt in for updates. This creates an ongoing connection without requiring manual follow-ups. By using this approach, a mini newsletter can be built within direct messages, keeping an audience engaged and informed while remaining compliant with platform policies. This type of automation helps maintain consistent communication, making it easier to share valuable content, nurture leads, and keep conversations active. ManyChat allows you to trigger an automation based on post comments, making it easy to engage with viewers and drive traffic to your offers. For example, automated replies can include phrases like "sent your way" or "check your inbox for details." This approach helps maintain a conversational tone and makes interactions feel more personalized. This type of automation is useful for various purposes, such as sharing additional resources, providing exclusive access to content, or directing users to a website or sign-up page. It increases engagement while ensuring that interested users receive timely responses without requiring manual effort. By automating this process, you can efficiently capture leads, promote collaborations, and maximize your reach without spending hours responding manually. Another powerful automation to set up is one triggered by Instagram Stories. When someone replies to a story with a specific keyword, ManyChat can automatically send them a direct message with relevant details. This can be useful for sharing information about a coaching program, product launch, or exclusive content. Automating these responses ensures that interested users receive instant replies, improving engagement while saving time. This method is especially helpful for businesses and creators who receive a high volume of messages and want to provide timely and consistent information without manually responding to every inquiry. A highly effective email collection strategy can also be implemented using ManyChat. This method has been successfully used to gather thousands of emails from a single Instagram video. The process is simple and efficient. Viewers are asked to comment a specific keyword, and when they do, ManyChat sends an automated message requesting their email. Once they provide their email, it is automatically added to an email marketing platform like ConvertKit, making it easy to organize and manage new subscribers. If an invalid email is entered, ManyChat prompts the user to submit a correct one, ensuring that the list remains accurate and useful. After the email is collected, ManyChat sends a confirmation message along with a link to the promised resource, such as a free guide, webinar, or discount code. This approach not only helps build a highly targeted email list, but also increases engagement by encouraging more interaction in the comments. By automating this process, businesses and creators can seamlessly grow their audience, nurture leads, and maximize the impact of their marketing efforts without requiring constant manual input. This automation can be further improved by segmenting users based on their previous interactions. If ManyChat detects that a user has already provided their email, it will automatically skip the email request and send the resource directly. This creates a smoother and more personalized experience, as users won't be repeatedly asked for the same information. Instead of feeling frustrated by redundant requests, they receive only the relevant details they need. Segmenting users in this way also helps keep communication more efficient, ensuring that returning users feel valued rather than treated like first-time visitors each time they engage with the system. ManyChat automations can also be highly effective for driving direct sales and engaging potential customers in a structured way. Another effective automation strategy for growing followers is offering a free resource in exchange for engagement. This method encourages users to interact with content while providing them with something valuable in return. For example, an automation can be set up where users are prompted to comment a specific keyword, such as guide or freebie, on a post. Once they comment, an automated direct message is sent with a link to download the free resource, such as an ebook, checklist, or exclusive video. If the user isn't following the account, ManyChat can be set up to prompt them before delivering the freebie. The automation can send a message saying, "Well, this is embarrassing. It looks like you're not following me. Would you mind trying again? Hit the button below when you're done." A button labeled "I followed" can be included, and once the user clicks it, the system automatically sends the resource. This approach not only increases engagement on posts, but also helps attract new followers who are interested in the content being offered. Additionally, if the automation includes an option for users to subscribe to updates, it creates an opportunity to keep them engaged over time. By consistently providing value, followers are more likely to remain active, interact with future posts, and share the content with others, leading to steady audience growth.